Hello, I want to show you how to whitelist an email address in Outlook, which is also Hotmail or Live. It's never fun to have an email land in your junk email when it's an important email. It can be embarrassing or cause many problems. So one easy method is to go to the junk email. I don't have any junk at this time, but if you do, you simply take the email that you want to have as a safe email and drag it to your inbox, and this way Outlook will know that it's a safe email. Also, another method is to go to your settings and then view all Outlook settings, junk emails, and then here you can add an email address that you consider safe. So I copied one email that I had, whoops, and by doing this it's gonna be in your safe emails. So that's how to do it. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.